away, my people. Not be small thing. I beg, make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is at it again, oh my people. Not be small matter. He don't scatter everywhere. He don't shake table. Not be small thing. If you be married woman, I beg, they give your husband food well. Even if it's 3 times in a day. They give your husband food. And I know the type of food when they talk. Type of food they different type. And I understand. That one when they contours. And I understand. I beg, they give your husband contours. They serve am that thing. Very important. So that your husband will not cheat on you. Very important to not be small thing. My people, as I cross this one, I said this one I must share it with honor. This message, so when this man of God give, very important. Not be small thing. If you be married woman, not they pretend like say you be virgin Mary, you they wait who go first come, or na your husband go first come, or na the woman I go first come. Anyone when first come, may na continue. Even if say na inside kitchen, may na continue for there. Not be small thing, my people. This man of God that he don't shake table, not be small table. Now this man of God shake, so he shake everywhere. He shake everywhere. Not be small thing. Yeah. May not come be say, I too talk. Ma live on make una for listening to Evangelist Ebuka Obi.
Full heart is only heart that can concentrate. When you are not happy, you can never concentrate. Am I speaking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
At the time, you don't know that you cannot mop the house again. Even when your husband is sleeping with you, you are in since you have been doing this, and what haven't baby come? Is it this one now will bring baby? Now thinking on elu, you know, is it this one? Is it this one will bring baby? If, since last year you have been doing it, why haven't baby come? Is it this one? Measure it to joy or not attracting come. Always a joy, and the make sure carry to nothing will come. Oh, joyful heart we welcome. Oh, we can carry him on a kitchen in when you are happy, you open door for favor. You open door for breakthrough. Any ladies have lost the man that's supposed to marry them because what they're supposed to do at last, they started doing it now. When a man is coming to marry you, what will make him to be serious with you is if you have never seen your nakedness. Anytime a man sees your nakedness, you reduce before him. So most of the time, and daddy, this man disappointed me, this man disappointed me, is because you disappointed yourself. You disappointed your parents. Watch most of the ladies that men disappointed, they sleep with that man. It's only few men that will disappoint you if you did not sleep with them. They will say, oh, I want to test you. But that is few. Men respect women that even give them top time. Men respect women that, Oga, if this is why you are coming, it's no go area. They will see you as a serious person. But we are in a generation of mad. The madness of marriage is too much. That before you can even tell a girl now, we're mad. The lady don't even know whether you are talking about madness. Just mention we're mad. She will carry herself to your house. You have not even completed the statement. You have never completed whether you are talking about I will marry you. Just say, baby, I will marry. Stop it there. Her bag will fill your house. Her clothes will fill your house. Everyone there are saying, let me know you for 3 months. And that 3 months, you know, gonna be now a boxer. Most of the ladies today that have not married, they are the cause of it. They are the cause. You reduce yourself. You bring yourself down. A man is coming to you to marry you. He has not even started anything. He has already started sleeping with you. He has started pressing your breast. Breast singing quarter at Daziele Melo Berodi. Then when you marry, what will happen? Children has not even come up. Children have not even sucked your breast, man. Not dollar. Ngini kwa tuzirie. And not one man, not two, not three. Oyabu generation. Daddy, he disappointed me. You don't play your game very well. Smart people keep themselves. No man what? There is a place a man don't supposed to enter. There is a particular place a man don't supposed to enter on the two of you marry. Anytime you lose yourself to sleep with somebody, you're a disgrace. Ebaho sex bungugo. Sex bungugo. Ngugo. That is like a package that no man is supposed to open until after the wedding. Or maybe because ngugo. Or when they me pay or body or the better. And after it is open that day, nothing will happen. Do you know most of men has dumped person they're supposed to marry? Because, hey, daddy, that place, that is order. Why did he come to know order? Why? And because of that, he dumped you. But if you wrap that ungugo after the wedding, if you wrap that ungugo, that day of wedding, everywhere block, he will be what will happen? He will be looking for solution, right? He will be looking for solution. But when you have already started doing it before then, he will dump you. When you make love with a man that have not married you, that is when he will know you have body odor. Those things he will have find it out after marriage or some solution. Man, if he find it, if you go so close to him, he must find one or two things that will make him to dump you. No, that was why I preached the message last time. That I'm going to write a letter to bishops. And I'm going to write a letter to priests, pastors, both Pentecostals, that normally wed people. That they should stop covering veil. That veil they normally cover on the wedding day. They should stop covering it. Because veil, the reason why they are covering veil, that a man wants to open a new thing, a new woman. That is the meaning of that day. They will say the man, oh, you cover the veil. There is no need of covering the face. The man have already scattered her before that day. So what is the sense of covering the face? So I'm going to write a letter to pastors that wed people. That face, people say you should be covering. There is no need of covering it. Because there is nothing hidden. Two of them have known themselves on the bed. So why are you covering the face? So going too close to people is not good. Everything will not be known by somebody that wants to marry you. So all my daughters that want to marry this Christmas is coming. A man will tell you, I want to marry you. Keep your body. Don't sleep with him. Don't allow him to romance you. If you must go to his house, go with your friend. Or saying, why are you coming with a friend? Stop going at all. Give yourself some respect. And all the boys that want to make it with the joy, because with the joy, we shall draw water from the wells of salvation. All the boys that want to make it, you have to also stand your ground. And if you want to marry, marry. But the jumping from one woman to another can render you useless. And if you want to marry, don't look after everything physical. Also look something inside. Because physical can damage, but what can this person produce? Can this person give you quality advice? Can you be happy with her? Minus sex, is there any other thing she can produce? Is there advice she can give you? And you will prosper. And any man that marry a good woman will prosper. Am I speaking to somebody? Because she will give you advice, she will look at you. Learn how humble she is. Is she respectful? Because the number one demand of a man, number one need of a man is not sex, not food. Number one need of a man is respect. That is why our fathers will always, our mothers of the ancient mothers will always call their father, their husband, my lord. They will bend down. They will call their husband, my lord. But a disaster has fallen in our generation where ladies call sugarcane baby. A small girl will be holding the husband, say, baby. You will see the man even doing like mumu and say, baby. Oh, I say, baby. I say, oh. Then a woman is calling a man baby. I say, oh. You will see the man behaving like baby. So when the man beats you, see that the baby is beating you. Oh, yes, so, number one demand, the number one need of a man, what a man needs from a woman is submissive, respect. If you're a man, learn how to hold your wife and pray. If you're a woman, learn how to hold your husband and pray. If you apply the method of prayer, you can pick your husband boxer. I've taught you this before. As a woman, you say, oh Lord, Mary Kabosuku, as my husband wear this boxer, he will never cheat on me. He will love me. Because power of life and death lies in your tongue. As he put on this boxer, he will always love me. If you know your husband is always the type that use remote. You carry that remote, you speak in tongues on that remote. Father, anytime he touch this remote, he will always love me. This remote, hey, that particular position, he always sit down. Oh Lord, as he's going to sit here, he normally sit here. The love he has for me will increase. Prayer. If you carry food to give him, before you put that food, are you not kissing him before? As he eat this food, crazy. That is what you need as a woman to do to get your husband. Stop complaining. He's this, he's that, he's this. Learn how to pray. Family that prays together stays together. Second thing he must do is to be respectful. As I have taught you about respect, be respectful. Third thing he must do is to learn how to have sex with him. As a woman, Mary, he will be the first that will touch me. In your home, let him be the first that will touch me. In your home. If I begin to touch him, he will say I am corrupt. In your home, no. That time in our quick on the most and a feronaka. On any gwen a feromoniaka. Chuku noni gwe. On any gwen a feromo. Nelly Kaho. Chuku noni gwe. On any gwen a feromoyaka. Chuku noni gwe. On any gwen a feromoya. The first thing he must do is to do what? Pray with his bossa, pray with his remote, pray with his car key. Second thing he must do is to respect me as a woman. Undiluted respect. That if you see him on the road, you can greet his friend, but you go on your knees. Let him be the one that will say, darling, no, you are embarrassing me. Say, good morning. Have a special ringtone to your husband as a sign of respect. If you see your husband on the road, you can even try to go on knee. Let him be the one that will draw you up. That man will be crazy for you because you are giving him maximum respect. Am I speaking to somebody? If he's coming back home, begin to jump up. My king is coming home. Children, the king is coming. Even when you hear the sound of his motor, you're already jumping up. You don't need to ask maid or children to go and open door for your husband. Let you be the one that will go. Respect. Iboya my Lord. Iboya my King. Iboya my all and all. You are the one that make me complete. Without you, I am incomplete. You say these things to your husband. That man can never hurt you. Men, when they are sick, there are kind of sickness that is happening to your husband now. The reason why your husband is sick is that there are medicine you need to give him. Not malaria, but lovelaria. When you begin to give your husband medicine called lovelaria, the sickness, trouble will finish. Thinking about it, not jump up, my Lord, my Lord, my Lord. You know where Abraham, Sarah called Abraham my Lord. Abraham job. Boxer, respect you give him food, let the meat and fish cover the whole plate. Let him be the one that will tell you, please remove. Serve him food like a king. If there is any special plate, it should be used for your husband, not for anybody. That man will be crazy about. Even when the whole family will be against you, he will stand by you. Oh, question why you will be dear. Na say no jogu. Respect is the second thing. Prayer is the first thing. Thought in be kwaiko. I taught people this thing. I taught people this thing in Tuesday. A man that came to me said, Daddy, I have problem. I have problem. I need you to talk to me and my wife. Why is it that anytime I'm sleeping with my wife, that is when she will begin to say, Hail Mary. I will be sleeping with her. I will be hearing, Hail Mary, full of grace. The Lord is with you. Neliko. Good sex will help your marriage and joy will be. Am I speaking to somebody? Don't ever say, let me not go, so that he will not say, I am corrupt. It's not when he's 22 years, it will be when he's 35 years. As men get older, everything is going, the machine is getting weak. Machine is getting weak. So if you don't enjoy him when he's young, when are you going to enjoy him? You know, I say, let me go. Every time in one place as a holy woman, you are feeling something. You know, I say, no, my husband will come first. Sex, for husband and wife. It may start in the kitchen. A gas cooker. That you fall on the kitchen. It may be in bedroom now. It must not be on the dress from a dress. Careful, missionary style. It must be on foam. Bedroom. It may even be that one in the bedroom. We produce a child. Good sex. It will help him not to cheat. A good woman that don't want the husband to cheat, every morning make sure you have sex with your husband. That day, with this kind of sugar we are eating now. Sugar. What everybody once in a do, and I we could have also. You can't do one. Am I communicating? Every morning, Archie put that yeah. He said, Volia from cheating on you that day. I've never had sex before. I am teaching you what the Holy Ghost taught me. If a man can be a virgin, Ebuka Obi is still a virgin. I am teaching you what the Spirit taught me as a father. Don't pity him. Abra ngina thinking no result to inono ko zunwura dim onye no na mortuary dim ritual ngba ritual kwani ritual obu na abu